Hi there, in this video we are going to insert a picture as a background. So I am going to copy a picture from my desktop, and you can select your picture from your desktop, either whatever you have placed anywhere. So I have insert this picture, so you can see there is a lot of space is left behind from right side as well as left side of this picture. So my first mission is to set this picture on complete slide. For this purpose I am going to picture format and going to change the aspect ratio of this picture to 16:9. So now I am going to manually adjust this picture on whole slide. So I am going to zoom out. You can see our picture is placed on complete slide. If you want to remove your focus from picture, I am going to insert a picture and then I will add transparent to this picture. I am going to set transparency 60. Again, outline with no outline. Going to insert this shape on complete slide. If you have single slide, then you can insert your picture as a background. If you have multiple slide, I am going to open a new PowerPoint presentation and going to insert more slide. So if you want to insert a picture as a background of all of these slides, then go to the view tab, then slide master. On first slide I have copied these images and just place these images on the office theme slide master and going to set as a background. So now you can see I'm going to close the slide master view, and you can see your picture is inserted in the background. In this way you can insert your picture as a background in PowerPoint. If you are working with standard size of the slide, so how you can change your slide size? In the design tab you can see here is a standard size 4:3 and there is a widescreen size 16:9. If you are using 4:3, so I am going to copy another picture and going to place here. So you can see there is a place from top as well as from the bottom. First of all, you have to select this picture, then go to the crop aspect ratio. Our slide size is 4:3. After that you can adjust your image on the slide. Thanks for watching.